Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter anti-malware service executable causing high CPU, RAM, disk or memory usage, then watch this video for the solutions. The first solution is to disable the real-time protection, but this is only a temporary solution folks. So let's get to it. We'll go to virus and threat protection settings. Now if you're using a third-party app, you need to do the same on your third-party app. So I will talk you through the pre-installed Windows antivirus that I've installed on that I'm using on my computer, but at the same time I will also guide you how to do it on the third party app. So we will click on manage settings and switch off real-time protection. You need to do the same on your third party app. If you're using Kaspersky or Norton or AVG, just switch off the real-time scan, and then after that we need to look for the Windows Defender scheduling options. So we'll press the Windows and the R button together and we will run this line taskschd.msc and click enter. Now we will expand the task scheduler library, expand Microsoft, expand Windows. So in a third party, you need to look for your scanning scheduler. So there will be a schedule for the scan, so you need to look for that. So here we'll look for Windows Defender. All right, we'll click on it and then we'll expand this name a little bit so that we can see Windows Defender schedule scan. Great. So we'll double click on it and we will click on general. So you need to make sure this box run with highest privileges is unchecked, and then you come to conditions and make sure that this box is also unchecked. So same thing you need to do on your third party app. Just make sure that the scan is not run with highest privileges, because when you give it high privileges, it will use up all the resources and will cause your high CPU and high RAM and high disk memory utilization. So once you take it off, then it will equally share the resources, or some programs may be dedicated more resources. So once you do this, click OK. And then the next thing we need to do is we need to add a certain program mpeng.exe to our exclusion list. So we'll do the same thing with the third party app, but now let us go to security, and in that we'll go to virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. All right, and then we'll click on add or remove exclusion. So you can do the same thing in your third party software. You can look for exclusion option and then click on add an exclusion and click on process. Now once you enter this box, you need to enter capital M S, capital M P, capital E N G dot exe and press add. All right, perfect. So once that is done, we will also do a fix in the registry editor. So we will look for registry editor and then click on run as administrator. Yes, and then we will enter this path. You will find this path in the description of this video. So just copy that here and click on enter. Now you will come across this disable anti-spyware in the right pane. Now if there is no disable anti-spyware in your computer, then all you have to do is right click, new, and you need to put DWORD 32-bit value file and it will open a new file. Now once you create a new file, you need to rename it. Click on it, click on rename, and you need to rename it capital D disable, capital A anti, capital S spyware, and right click on it, click on modify and make this value 1 and click on OK. Now once that's done, you need to run the Windows update. So right click on the start button and look for settings, click on Windows update and then click on check for updates. Now once this is done running, you need to go to advanced options, optional updates, and then you need to install any driver updates here. Once that is done, you need to restart your computer. Click on the start button, click on the power button, and click on restart. And you should no longer have anti-malware service executable using a high CPU, RAM, disk, or memory usage. Now, once you come back this, always remember to enable your real-time antivirus protection, which is very important, because if you don't, then it will allow viruses to infect your computer and cause larger problems. So go to manage settings and switch on real-time protection. And another thing you can do is, you can, in the registry, if the real-time protection doesn't switch off, in the registry editor where you went to disable anti-spyware, you change the value to 0, and then you should have no other issues. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.